Hello Thrifters! Today we are going to make a super cute and simple apron dress. On a recent thrift trip, I picked up this tank top dress that is super cute and has pockets, but is way too long to be an apron. So I'm cutting off about 14 inches. I got this measurement from putting on the dress and seeing that that's where it fits the best on me. Do be sure to leave yourself an inch to an inch and a half hem allowance on the bottom. Next, I am taking off the pockets that exist. I want to add larger pockets and realize that it may have been too many pockets and became too thick in that spot if I left the original. While attempting to seam rip the pockets off in the proper manner, I ripped it, so I had to finish off the job with a pair of scissors. Being super careful not to cut into the actual dress. Now on to making the new pockets. Using a thrifted cloth napkin, while folded, I measure them and cut them perfectly in half. Double rolling and pinning the raw edge. And you are one step closer to turning this napkin into two pockets. Back to the dress, we are folding it inside out so that we can double roll the bottom of this dress with 1/2 inch rolls. On to sewing the dress. My sewing machine is set on a zigzag stitch on the length of 2 and the width of 3. I am using black all-purpose thread on the top and in my bobbin. I am also using a denim needle, which is a 100/16. A standard size needle would fit this fabric, but as I am adding pockets, I wanted to have a larger needle so that I was sure I wouldn't break it. My pockets being red and white, I want to switch out my black thread for a red thread. And don't forget to be back tacking to secure your thread. For the hem part on this pocket, I put my sewing machine back in a straight stitch, but keeping the length 2 and the width 3. Repeating it on the second pocket, the pockets are ready to be sewn onto the dress. Putting my sewing machine back on a zigzag stitch, length 2 and width 3, I stitch on my pocket, not forgetting to back tack, and covering my straight stitch with the zigzag stitch, I make my way all the way around the box, but leaving the top of the pocket open. Obviously, we want to be able to get inside of it. Back tacking and turning it around, I'm making my way all the way back around, following the same zigzag stitch to completely secure the pocket. Repeating this on the second pocket. This apron dress is finished and has 4 usable pockets. I had a lot of fun making this dress, and it was fairly easy to make, so I highly suggest you make one for yourself, even if you are a beginner. As always, thanks for watching, and be sure to hit subscribe for more Thrifted Lifestyle videos. We are also on Instagram and Facebook and have our own online thrifted boutique at www.thriftedboutique.com.